In this video, I want to show you how to connect a USB drive to your iPhone 16e and how to transfer files between your phone and the drive. So let's get started. The iPhone 16e only has one USB Type-C port. So if your USB drive has one of these USB Type-A connector, well, unfortunately, you will need an adapter. And I'll put links in the description. Basically, it's one of these where you connect the drive over here and it will become a USB Type-C drive. Fortunately, these drives also comes in, as you see, USB Type-A and USB Type-C. So again, I'll put links down below. It's much more practical to not use an adapter every time you want to transfer files. So from here, you simply have to connect the drive. And now where should you go to see what's on the drive and how do you transfer things? Very easy. So you're gonna go all the way towards the right on the home screen of your iPhone 16e, and you're gonna tap on the top where it says App Library. You're gonna type Files. This is the app that you need to use to manage everything that is on the drive and on the iPhone. From here, you're gonna tap on Browse again, and you're gonna go on the main menu. This is how it looks, and you're gonna see your USB drive appearing on the top. Mine is called USB 128, but yours will have a different name. It will be right under on my iPhone. So to see what's on the drive, you simply have to tap on it, and here we go. These are pictures. Oh, that's a video actually that is on my drive, and you may have some pictures, videos, other PDF files and stuff like that. If you want to transfer something from the drive to the internal memory of your iPhone, simply press these three dots, click on Select, and then simply tap on everything you want to transfer. It will have a blue check mark. Then you're going to press down below the three dots, and you're going to select Copy. Now go back, go on My iPhone. This is the internal memory of your iPhone 16e. If you want to create a folder and place those items inside, simply press the three dots on the top right corner, select New Folder, name this folder, anything, I don't know, whatever. And now go in that folder, and to copy the files inside, simply keep press anywhere and select Paste. The file that you have selected have now been transferred, and you can transfer stuff that are on your iPhone to your USB drive the same exact way. If you want to transfer pictures and videos that are in the camera roll of your iPhone 16e, for example, if I go here, these are some pictures. Well, same thing, go on the camera roll, click select the pictures, videos you want to transfer. Then this time you're going to press the square with the arrow, and then you're going to go down and select Save to Files. And just like that, if you press Browse, you're going to be able to go on your USB drive. And since we're here, you're going to press Save, and those pictures and videos that were on the camera roll will be saved on the drive itself. They will still be on the memory of your iPhone, but now it's like a backup. They're on your drive. Once you're done using it, disconnect it, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.